So, good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the numerical problem. The first numerical is find the change in internal energy of gas when number one is it absorb 80 calorie of heat and perform work equal to 170 joule. ठीक है. And second part of this question is also find out the means change in internal energy when it absorb 20 calorie of heat and work equal to 55 joule is perform on it. So first case the work is done by the gas and second case is work perform on it to absorb this heat 20 calorie. So here the work done by the gas and here work done on the gas. Clear? So here delta Q in first question, delta Q is how much given to you? 80 calorie. 80 calorie is given to you here. We have need to convert 80 calorie into joule. So 1 calorie is equal to how many joule? 4.2 joule. So delta Q is equal to what? 80 multiplied by 4.2 joule. So you will get the answer is 336 joule here. Already we have discussed in the class. Delta U is question mark. Del W you have need to find out. So delta W work done by the gas how much given to you? 170 joule is given to you. 170 joule. So delta W value also we have and delta Q value also we have. Now we know the formula of first law of thermodynamics. Delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. So delta Q is 336. Delta U your value you have need to find out and delta W is given to you 170. So delta U is how much coming? 336 minus 170. So it is equal to how much? 166 joule. So this is the answer of first part of the question. Okay. Second part, what they are saying to you, 20 calorie of heat observed, but work done perform on it is how much? 55 joule. Meaning here work sign is negative. Work done on the gas is. So work sign is negative. So here given to you what? Delta Q is 80 calorie. So we have need to convert into clear heat need to convert into joule. But this is the first case. Second case है तो second case में क्या है? डेल्टा क्यू क्या है second case में? डेल्टा क्यू is equal to 20 calorie है तो 20 calorie we have need to convert into joule. So we have need to multiply with 4.2. So we will get the answer is 84 joule. Delta W work done on the gas is minus 55 joule because on the gas. So delta U is how much here? So we know the first law of thermodynamics. Delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Substitute the values. 84 is equal to delta U minus 55 plus minus minus. So delta U how much you will get here? 139 after taking this 55 this side. So plus. So you will get the answer is 139 joule. So this is the first numerical problem that we have discussed in the class. Now here the question is, listen, 1 mole of an ideal gas undergo a cyclic change A, B, C, D given in the diagram. Clear? Diagram is given to you here. Calculate work done along AB, BC, CD and DA. This is the first part of the question. Second part, what they have need, net work done. How much work is done during this cyclic process? Here see there the direction of the cyclic process is clockwise. So work is positive, sign is positive will come. Net work done sign. Now we have required the work done in first case. फर्स्ट केस में क्या चाहिए आपको? वर्क डन चाहिए. कहाँ से कहाँ चाहिए? वर्क डन अलोंग ए एंड बी. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो वर्क डन अलोंग ए बी फार्मूला भी यू नो दैट वर्क डन इज प्रेशर इनटू चेंज इन वॉल्यूम. ठीक है. सो वर्क डन अलोंग ए बी. ए बी में कितना प्रेशर है जो परफॉर्म कर रहा है वर्क? दैट इज द 5 एटमोस्फेयर. 5 एटमोस्फेयर प्रेशर है ये. And change in volume, how much change in volume here? Here the volume is 3 and here the volume is 1. So change in volume from A to B, how much take place? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So what you can say that 5 atmosphere multiply by 2 liter. This is the work done along AB. So 5 atmosphere meaning 5 multiply by 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal and multiply by, this is in Pascal, liter, 2 liter है तो 2 liter meaning we can say that 2 multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. We have changed volume in meter cube. So from here, what answer you will get here? 5.05 multiply by 2. Okay, this multiplication done. Afterward, this multiplication done. Multiply by base are same. Power are added 5 and minus 3. So what answer you will get here? ठीक है, 10.10 into what? 10 raised to power minus 2 or plus 2? Plus 2. So afterward, here the answer you will get here 1010, removal of decimal done, divided by 100, and this will cut with 10 raised to power 2. So your answer will come here 1010 joule. 1010 joule work is done along A, B of this diagram. Now second case we have required work done along VC. Work done along VC required. The work done along VC, if you want, then see here, work done along VC. How much pressure is here? Yes, pressure value during V to C process. Pressure value is 5 and here pressure value is 2. So what is the pressure value here? 3. 3 atmosphere is responsible for the work done from B to C. 3 atmosphere. How much change in volume? Here also volume is 3. Here also volume is 3. The change in volume is 0. So work done is how much? We know very well that work is equal to what? Second case. Second case we have required work done along V and C. That is equal to pressure into change in volume. So pressure is there. Pressure है वहाँ पर. But volume change is 0. I have already told to you that work done along VC is 0 here. So this is the second part of the question. Now third part what we have required, work done along C and D. So that is also formula is P into delta V. So P, how much pressure is responsible for the work done from C to D? See there, C to D. C to D pressure, how much? Here the pressure is 3 and here the pressure is 1? No, it's the volume. Volume change take place here 3 to 1. So how much change take place here? 3 to 1. Final volume is 1 and initial volume is 2. So final minus initial, how much change in volume? Minus 2. And pressure is how much here in this process? C to D is 2 atmosphere. So in C to D case, what you will write on? Pressure is 2 atmosphere and volume change take place is there minus 2 liter. So change this in Pascal. So it will come 2.02 into 10 raised to power 5. Directly I have done into minus 2 multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. What? पास्कल हेयर या लीटर या मीटर? मीटर क्यूब. लीटर को आपने मीटर क्यूब में बदला है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट हेयर 1 एटमॉस्फेयर यू हैव डन इन पास्कल. सो आंसर यू विल गेट हियर. कितना आंसर आएगा? 2 2 जा 4. व्हाट विल कम देन? शाबाश. 4.04 with negative sign into 10 raised to power 2. Directly I have done here. So the work done is coming here along CD is equal to minus 4.04. Okay, into 10 raised to power 2, but removal done of decimal, then here what will come? 100. So this will cancel out. Your work is coming minus 4.04 नोट 404 जूल. तो वर्क क्या हुआ है यहाँ पर? नेगेटिव. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज you have required work done along D and A. Formula is same, P delta V. Now along D to A. D to A pressure how much responsible? 5 minus 2, 3 atmosphere, but volume change is nothing. So we can say that work done is P into 0, meaning 0 here. Okay, my point? Understood this? So this is the answer of this first part of the question. ठीक है. Next part what we have done required net work done. So it's your work. Net work done. What is net work done? Area under this cyclic process. So what is the pressure value of this? Because area mean length into breadth. तो लेंथ में ये है AD मल्टीप्लाई बाय DC. AD वैल्यू हाउ मच हियर? 5 minus 2, 3 atmosphere. And volume value how much here? 3 minus 1, 2 liter. So you have need to do the work. This work done along means cyclic process is area of the cyclic process. 3 atmosphere pressure and 2 liter change in volume. Convert this into Pascal and this into liter into meter cube. So you will get the answer is 606 joule. So this is the net work done here. Is it okay? Clear? This much only today we will do.